Palo Alto Networks PSE-Strata-Pro-24 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. When a customer is worried about moving from a legacy firewall with port-based rules to a Palo Alto Networks NGFW with application-based policies, which action best addresses their concerns? A. Explain how the PAN-OS Policy Optimizer helps safely migrate port-based rules into application-based rules. B. Guarantee that the migration wizard will automatically convert all port-based rules into application-based rules during installation. C. Suggest running the NGFW in parallel with the legacy firewall until the customer feels ready to remove the old one. D. Reassure them that NGFWs still support port-based rules because PAN-OS automatically translates them into application-based rules. The answer is A. The Policy Optimizer is designed to help customers transition from port-based to application-based security safely and gradually. It analyzes existing traffic flows and recommends the right application-based rules. Options B and D are incorrect because there is no automatic conversion, and C is more of a workaround, not a best practice. When starting a zero-trust journey, which two initial steps should a customer take to better understand and adopt zero-trust principles? Choose 2. A. Identify all users, devices, applications, data, services, and infrastructure that access or belong to the network. B. Activate cloud-delivered security services, CDSS, subscriptions to automatically block internal and external threats. C. Map out the transactions between users, applications, and data, then apply verification and inspection to those transactions. D. Deploy VM-series NGFWs in public and private cloud environments to protect east-west traffic. The answer is AC. Zero Trust starts with visibility and mapping. Step 1. A. Discover and classify all users, devices, applications, data, and services. You can't protect what you don't know. Step 2. C. Map how these entities interact, transactions, then verify and inspect traffic before allowing access. Options B and D are good practices later in the journey but are not the first two steps. Which two products can be integrated with and managed through Strata Cloud Manager, SCM? Choose 2. A. Prisma SD-WAN. B. Prisma Cloud. C. Cortex XDR. DVM Series NGFW. The answer is AD. Strata Cloud Manager, SCM, is Palo Alto Networks' unified management platform for network security and SD-WAN. It provides visibility and policy control for NGFWs, hardware and VM series, and Prisma SD-WAN. Prisma Cloud, B, is for cloud security posture and workload protection right-pointing arrow managed separately. Cortex XDR, C, is for detection, response right-pointing arrow not managed by SCM. For NGFWs that inspect north-south traffic, in addition to DNS security, which 3 cloud-delivered security services, CDSS, are the minimum recommended subscriptions? Choose 3. A. SaaS Security. B. Advanced wildfire. C. Enterprise DLP. D. Advanced threat prevention. E. Advanced URL filtering. The answer is BDE. For north-south traffic, traffic entering, leaving the network, Palo Alto Networks recommends enabling core threat prevention services. Advanced wildfire. B. Detects unknown malware and zero-day threats. Advanced threat prevention. D. Blocks exploits, malware, and command and control activity. Advanced URL filtering. E. Protects against web-based attacks and phishing. SaaS security. A. Focused on SaaS application control, not a baseline north-south requirement. Enterprise DLP. C. Data loss prevention. Useful, but not part of the minimum recommended bundle for all NGFWs. In what situation would a customer most likely choose an on-premises NGFW solution instead of a cloud-based SASE solution for their network? A. Rapid growth with mergers and acquisitions being integrated. B. Most employees and applications are located close together in the same geographic region. C. Hybrid work and cloud adoption across multiple sites, each with different requirements. D. A business requirement to securely expand into new global regions. The answer is B. An on-premises solution makes sense when the workforce and applications are centralized in one region. Right-pointing arrow traffic can be secured locally without needing distributed cloud enforcement. SASE, cloud delivered, is better for distributed users, hybrid work, and global expansion. Answers A, C, and D. Which of the following is a valid use case for Palo Alto Networks' next-generation firewalls, NGFWs? A. Code-embedded NGFWs provide IoT security by running PAN-OS directly on devices that cannot host VM images. B. Serverless NGFW code provides public cloud security for code-only deployments without VMs or containers. CIT/OT segmentation firewalls allow operational technology, OT, resources in plant networks to securely interact with IT resources in the corporate network. DPAN-OS Global Protect gateways enable malware and exploit prevention on endpoints without needing agents. The answer is C. NGFWs are widely used for segmentation between IT and OT environments, ensuring visibility and protection when industrial, plant networks connect with corporate IT. Options A and B are not real NGFW use cases. No code embedded or serverless NGFW exists. Option D is incorrect because Global Protect requires an agent for endpoint protection. NGFWs don't provide endpoint prevention modules by themselves. The premium version of Strata Cloud Manager, SCM, includes compliance checks for which two frameworks? Choose two. A. Payment card industry, PCI. B. National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. C. Center for Internet Security, CIS. D. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. The answer is AC. Strata Cloud Manager, Premium, provides compliance posture visibility against widely adopted security benchmarks. It supports PCI-DSS for payment security and CIS benchmarks, industry best practices. NIST and HIPAA are not currently included as built-in compliance frameworks in SCM Premium. Besides advanced DNS security, which 3 cloud-delivered security services, CDSS, use inline machine learning, ML, for protection? Choose 3. A. Enterprise DLP. B. Advanced URL filtering. C. Advanced wildfire. D. Advanced threat prevention. E. IoT security. The answer is BCD. Palo Alto Networks uses inline machine learning, ML, to stop new and unknown threats before they hit endpoints. Advanced URL filtering, (BML) detects and blocks phishing and malicious sites in real time. Advanced wildfire, (CML) analyzes unknown files inline to catch zero-day malware. Advanced threat prevention, (D) uses ML inline to stop exploits and evasive attacks. Enterprise DLP, (A) focuses on data protection, not inline threat detection. IoT security, (E) uses ML for device profiling, visibility, but not inline traffic prevention in the same way. A potential customer wants to use Palo Alto Networks NGFWs to separate its internal network into unique BGP environments. Which statement correctly describes how NGFWs can support this requirement? A. This is not possible because PAN-OS does not support it. B. This can be done by configuring multiple eBGP autonomous systems. C. This can be done using BGP confederations. D. This is not possible because BGP requires a full internal mesh to function. The answer is C. Palo Alto Networks NGFWs running PAN-OS support BGP confederations, which allow you to split a large internal BGP, IBGP, domain into smaller, more manageable sub-autonomous systems while still appearing as a single as externally. A and D are wrong because PAN-OS fully supports advanced BGP features, not limited to full mesh. B is incorrect because multiple eBGP as configurations wouldn't solve the customer's need for internal segmentation. A customer purchasing multiple Pennsylvania 5400 series firewalls requests protection against zero-day malware attacks. Which cloud-delivered security services, CDSS, subscription add-on should be included in the quote? AI Access Security. B. Advanced Threat Prevention. C. Advanced Wildfire. D. App ID. The answer is C. Advanced Wildfire provides cloud-based sandboxing and machine learning to detect unknown and zero-day malware before it spreads in the network. Advanced Threat Prevention, (B) blocks known exploits and malware, but zero-day malware detection specifically relies on Wildfire. AI Access Security, (A) and App ID, (D) do not provide zero-day malware protection.